Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Abdul Razak. My magic number is 25DDT19F1057 and my partner group is Muhammad Aiman Najmi bin Muhammad Razali. The number matric is 25DDT19F1074. So today we want to present about problem-based task 1, DFS 40033 Cyber Law. Lecturer Puan Faizatul Saidah binti Mi'ad. Question. Ali is a software development freelancer. He needs to share and transfer a lot of files in several online platforms. So based on the statement above, which is requires digital signature to be implemented. And the digital signature SIM typically consists of 3 algorithms, which are as below. Number 1, a key generation algorithm that selects a private key uniformly at random from a set of possible private key. The algorithm output the private key and a corresponding public key. Number 2, a signing algorithm that giving a message and a private key produce a signature. And number 3, a signature verifying algorithm that given a message, public key and a signature either accept or reject the message claim to authenticity. So our introduction, we are assigned to assist Ali based on this task. Ali worked as a freelancer software developer. When working with a customer, he must share and move a large number of files across several different web platforms. The necessity for a safe environment emerged from a potentially hostile execution environment in which not only might hardware fails, but also such files can be attacked by attackers, and certain parties are encounter negligent or even malevolent conduct from others. To assist Ali, a digital signature is required. The digital signature technique was followed, a key generation method which chooses a private key uniformly at random from a pool of private key. A message assigned signature produced and a private key are among them. Create a signature and input validation process that assign a message, public key and a signature and accept or reject message authentication statement. We design a comprehensive digital signature produced using Adobe Acrobat Reader and encrypt on-click software to assist Ali in transferring his information in safe manner. In addition, we give certain software-related information. So this is the step for create the file and encrypt the file for safety. The first, we create the file document. And second, insert the complete signature platform. To create the document, we need to use Adobe Reader software. This is the image of example Adobe Reader. Okay, next.
Okay, next is we using encrypt on click software on our desktop to act as Ali to encrypt the document. After that, we send the document that have been done to encrypt to email. Then the client will receive the email with the encrypted file. Receive the email safely. Next slide. Okay, the discussion of challenge for this assignment is first example to send the document with encryption file. Uh, Ali was suggested to send the document through the software Encrypt on Click, but there are many software can use to encrypt the document. We use Encrypt on Click, which is the software can encrypt files secure to send without document breach. Uh, they need password to decrypt the document and to open it. Means the sender must create a one password and give the password to receiver to open that file. Then we also suggest to send the document via email to receiver receive the document and can download the document and insert password to decrypt the file. Second, when we begin, we utilize Adobe Acrobat Reader and the program Encrypt on Click. Some information regarding the software will use based on the program. Then the Adobe Acrobat Reader is a popular electronic signature service that can sign virtually any document just using desktop. Then this procedure entails scanning a document text into a digital format, including such PDF, or establishing a new digital copy from scratch. Following that, we employed the Mavenlope program. Encrypt on Click is free end-to-end encryption program that you may download on your desktop, which is the user no need to pay it for use it. It will ensure that the document is safe, that only the sender receiver can access and view the information using password. Then furthermore, we pick Adobe Acrobat Reader since it allows you to sign papers on your own time and transmit them to appropriate person right away, allowing you to receive the signature and consent in a short amount of time. It can contain functions such as alerting all members who have signature outstanding, ensuring that all papers are authorized and no signature are missing. Then for the lastly, conclusion. What we get from this assignment conclusion is digital signature and the use of encrypt and decrypt is very important to protect document from any misuse by irresponsible third parties, which is we can protect a document safely by the person who want to break it, the document. This is very important so that the originality of the content for the document or file can be given priority, and the confidentiality of content is also emphasized, and get the benefit the giver and receiver only who can read the contents of the document. That's all from us for the PPT1 presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, first hazard is protect CGPA and GPA student. The person who might be at the risk is student for sure, and the likelihood rating is 3 because maybe can be happen to the student pointer and make it affected. We give the severity rating is 5 because it is the highest risk because the student pointer has will be leaked. And then the risk level is level 4. And the last is the measure taken to the reduce the risk is to keep the pointer student in the secure database as not as to leak by the third party or the not responsible person. Next, I will pass to the Aiman Abraza.
Thank you, Iman Najmi. Okay. So next hazard is protect question paper. So the person who might be at risk, the examinations unit, and the likelihood rating we give 5 because mostly likely to happen. The severity rating we give 5. This is the highest risk because they will involve student and lecturer. If the question paper leak and it causes the student will be repeat the paper. So the risk level level 5, and measure taken, the lastly measure taken to reduce the risk, keep the question paper in the secure place such as vault with passcode to open. Next, protect result examination. The person who might be at risk, examination unit and student. So the likelihood rating we give 2 because the probability to happen is low but still can be affected to student. And the severity rate is 3. The student may be got bad result, and the risk level is 3, level 3. So measure taken to reduce the risk. The result must be safe to avoid student early know before the official date release. And protect the answer sheet. The person might be at risk the examination unit. Likelihood rating rate 5, mostly likely to happen. And severity rating we give 5 because the risk very high. This risk very highest because if answer sheet leak, the student maybe got postponed their examination to recreate the answer sheet, which is that mean the student maybe postpone their examination to recreate the answer sheet. That mean the examination unit need to recreate the answer sheet and the question because the answer sheet is was leaked. So the risk level is 5. Measure taken to reduce the risk keeps the question paper in the secure place such as vault with passcode to open. So the measure taken with paper with answer sheet and paper question paper is the same because the both are important to secure the paper because it will be affected to the student if the both two paper leaking because if both two paper is leaked, the student will either will repeat or postpone their examination. So that from us. Thank you.